Hello and welcome to our new video. To create a macro in Excel, follow these steps. Go to the File tab, select More, and then click on Options. In the Excel Options window, go to Customize ribbon. Check the box next to Developer to enable the Developer tab, then click OK. Now go to the Developer tab. Click on Record Macro. In the dialog box that appears, you can name your macro and add a description if you like. Then click OK to start recording. While the macro is recording, customize your table in any way you prefer. For example, you can format cells, apply styles, or perform other tasks that you want the macro to repeat. Once you've finished customizing, go back to the Developer tab and click Stop Recording. To apply your recorded macro to other tables, select the table you want to format. Go to the Developer tab, click on Macros, select your recorded macro from the list, and click Run. Your saved customizations will be applied to the selected table. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again soon.